Everybody fucking jump!
Alright, true believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one going. I got a treat for you guys. As you see, I already took it out the box, so you guys get a little early preview. You guys a little bit of box action. This box reads the Nike Air Force 107 Valentine's Day. The colorway is white and atmosphere. This is the Air Force One Valentine's Day 2022. Sorry for kicking the camera, guys. Valentine's Day for 2022. How about you? Materials on this shoe are ultra plush and premium. Got all white tumbled leather, a pink Nike swoosh that says love all through it. Nike love. Pink bottom. Normal Nike air in the back. You know how Air Force Ones do. Same on this side. My cat likes this shoe. Saying more Jordans. Not a bad bottom. Got a little bit of top action. Says Nike down there. Nothing special in the insole of the shoe. Get this StockX tag out the way. So you has Nike love going all through there. I hope you guys can make that out. It's an awesome shoe, guys. If you're into Air Force Ones, I can't see why you wouldn't want a pair of these. That's absolutely an outstanding shoe. This is the Nike Air Force One Valentine's Day 2022. Guys, look at what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your feet. Like I said, StockX pair. She was so rare. Guys, let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Everybody make sure you stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!